Good day, Mr. Libunao. I will be explain the CSO environment. So, computer system involves the collection of computer machinery, data storage devices, workstations, software applications, and networks that support the processing and exchange of electronic information demanded by the software solution. So, CSO environments are becoming more multifaceted, exploiting the capabilities of a range of multi-core microprocessors, central processing units or CPU, digital signal processor, reconfigurable hardware, and graphics processing units or GPUs. Presented with no such heterogeneity, the process of developing efficient software for such a wide array of architectures poses a number of challenges to the programming community. Thank you.